Hello everyone, this video about windows, privacy, tinted, sunshade or visors or so on. So as you see, most cars they come factory window tinted, the back ones. The front one, however, most of the cars, the front window, driver side or passenger side, they not tinted. And so sometimes if you drive on a hot sunny day and you're trying to prevent the sun from out of your face, there is a way, and this video will show you fast, best way. Costs you only like $4 just to get this driver side or the passenger side window tinted. And here you can see, so those are all privacy and of course sun shade also. And this one, however, you see this this side also same thing. So yeah, that's the same thing too. And even this car, same factory tinted window, the back, but the front is not. And even the back is already tinted, but yeah, you can see here it's not tinted. So here's the better way, just to show you quickly how easy is this. So believe it or not, this is the best solution. Quick, fast, cheap, and I'll put the link description just below that description, so you can find this for only $4 with shipping and everything. You get two of those, and you can see this is very lightweight, and it works for sunshade perfectly. Also privacy, like private. So all you need, this has a magnet here, you can see. Small magnet, and this magnet, like this one here, you can see. So here's the key. See, it's a magnet. So one, it has how many magnets here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 magnets. So here's how it works. Simply, you see, this is the window, has a metal in the window here, so just like that, see. And done. You get now privacy and also protect you from the sunlight also. And you can adjust it very simply, pulling. You see, you can pull all the way to the end like that. Now it's a great benefit. Quickly, you don't need to do tinted windows or so on. This is just one way, removable also. So you can, once you, if you don't want it, you can easily remove it like that. To put it back again, same thing. Start from here and just like that. Adjust it a little bit and it's done. So the only bad thing about this, when you roll up the window, so I'm just gonna show you. So the wind, you see the wind will push this one outside. So if you drive, this may fly away. You see that? So just make sure when you drive fast, do not roll up your window. If you roll up a little bit like that, it should be okay. But if you roll all the way, roll the window down all the way, it might fly away just like that. But other than that, we'll show you. It really works fantastic, and we'll show you how good is this. Put the camera outside and you can see this is like our guide here, the little one. Now let's go outside. I can see clearly from here when I'm sitting in the car. Everything is clear, and you see, it just works fantastic. So it does not kind of block your view. You can see clearly, you know, even in today is a cloudy weather, very cloudy, but I can see very clearly So let's go outside to check it from outside. So how good like the shade, the privacy and everything. So you can see how good is this. This is the back, the original factory window tinted, and this is the one we just installed on, and it like works fantastic. Also it's like a smoke black or something, so it's really good, matching all the tinted windows. And I don't know if you can see that little white yellow guy over there. Perfect. I'm just gonna sit in the car and see how good the privacy is for this one. Okay. So that's how simple is this one. Check the description below if you're interested to buy one. You can save like at least $3-4 or so. I found them the cheapest one from the Wish, or you can get them from AliExpress, Alibaba, but I got those from Wish, which is almost like $1 each. The shipping is also $1, so I got 2 of them. And they also, like this one does not have to be left or right. You can either remove this and install it in the other window. So you can, either way, you can install it passenger side or the driver side. Very easy to install, very easy to remove. Just one thing only, you need to make sure when you drive, do not open the window all the way. It might fly. I'm just gonna go back again, check it from the other side. So let's go back. This is from the other side, and you can see it works fantastic. This is the original tinted window, and this one we just to the passenger side, and it works magic. So very good, excellent. So if you like this video, please support our channel, give us like, subscribe, check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly, randomly. You may like a video or so, and consider subscribe, like and share. All the best, and hope to see you next video. The other way you can do, if you don't like this one on the window, simply just grab this one, put it like that, and it's done. This is another way to do it. Just kidding. So yeah, so those are available for like $1 or so, $2 or so each, and very lightweight, very reliable, easy to install, easy to remove, and it works fantastic. You see, just like that, magnet, you know, small magnet, and yeah, so just like that, and you can drive without any like sunburn, sunlight or so. Also privacy, it works fantastic. Hope the best for you all, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you next video.